Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2 of our hunt for the best Sunday roast in London, we're visiting more great spots and wrapping up with our top pick. Ready for more delicious food? Let's go. The perfectly crispy roast potatoes. No Sunday roast is complete without potatoes that crunch on the outside and stay fluffy inside. The secret: parboiling first, then roughing up the edges so they crisp up better. Duck or goose fat makes them indulgent, but even roasted in oil, they should be golden and irresistible. A sprinkle of sea salt right as they come out of the oven is the final touch. Yorkshire pudding and other must-have sides. Yorkshire pudding should be tall, airy, and slightly crisp at the edges. It's not just a side, it's a gravy vessel, so it needs to hold up without getting soggy. Other essentials: buttered greens. Kale, cabbage, or Brussels sprouts add freshness. Honey-glazed carrots. Sweet and tender, they cut through the richness. Cauliflower cheese. A creamy, cheesy bake that feels like a hug on the plate. Gravy. Rich, meaty, and preferably made from the roasting juices. The best roasts balance these elements so every bite has a mix of textures and flavors. When done right, it's harmony on a plate. How to find the best Sunday roast for you? Not every Sunday roast is created equal. The best one for you depends on your budget, dietary needs, and the kind of atmosphere you want. Here's how to narrow down your options so you leave the table completely satisfied. Considering budget, affordable versus high-end options. London Sunday roasts range from wallet-friendly to splurge-worthy. If you're watching your spending, traditional pubs often offer hearty plates for under £20. Places like the Princess of Shoreditch or the Garrison serve generous portions without skimping on quality. For a treat, high-end spots like Hawksmoor or the narrow, Gordon Ramsay's gastropub deliver premium cuts and elaborate sides. Expect to pay £30 to £50, but the attention to detail, think truffle mash or aged beef, makes it worth it. Tip: some mid-range gastropubs strike a perfect balance. Check menus in advance to avoid surprises. Dietary restrictions: vegetarian and vegan Sunday roasts. Gone are the days when vegetarians had to settle for a plate of plain veggies. Many London spots now offer plant-based roasts that hold their own. The Gate, Islington, Marylebone. Their nut roast with red wine gravy is a legend among veggie diners. Mildred's, Soho, Camden. A vegan Wellington with mushroom pâté and crisp puff pastry. The Black Dog, Vauxhall. Surprisingly, this meat-heavy pub does a killer cauliflower steak with all the trimmings. Always check if gravy is vegan, many use meat stock, and ask about Yorkshire puddings, some use egg substitutes. Ambience, casual pubs versus fine dining experiences. Your ideal setting depends on the occasion. For a relaxed vibe with friends, pick a pub like the Duke of Cambridge or the Carpenter's Arms. These spots have weathered wood, chalkboard menus, and a buzz that feels like a weekend hug. If it's a date or celebration, try Andrew Edmonds, Soho or Clove Club. Low lighting, attentive service, and refined plating turn the meal into an event. Just remember: in fine dining, roasts might come deconstructed or with unconventional sides, like kohlrabi gratin instead of potatoes. Key takeaway: match the venue to your mood. Pubs are lively and comforting. Restaurants are for savoring every bite. The future of Sunday roast in London. Even the most time-honored traditions evolve, and London Sunday roast is no exception. Chefs and pubs are reimagining the classic dish with modern creativity while staying rooted in what makes it special. Sustainability is also reshaping how ingredients are sourced, making the meal more ethical without losing its soul. Modern twists, creative takes on the classic dish. Some of London's best chefs are putting unexpected spins on the Sunday roast, proving tradition can still surprise. Global flavors. Think Middle Eastern spiced lamb with tahini yogurt or jerk rubbed pork with plantain. Vegetable forward mains. Whole roasted cauliflower with smoked garlic butter or beetroot Wellington steal the spotlight. Unexpected textures. Crispy salt-baked celeriac or parsnip roasty replace roast potatoes for a twist. Even Yorkshire puddings aren't safe from innovation. Sourdough versions, loaded with whipped goat cheese or wild mushrooms, turn the side into a star. The goal isn't to outshine the original but to show how flexible the Sunday roast can be. After all, isn't the best comfort food the kind that keeps you curious? Sustainability, ethical sourcing and eco-friendly practices. London's Sunday roast is getting a green makeover. Pubs and restaurants now prioritise local farms, reducing food miles and supporting British producers. Key shifts in the scene. Regenerative farming. Meat from farms that restore soil health, like Laverstoke Park's buffalo or Dalesford's organic lamb. Zero waste cooking. Carrot tops become pesto, and leftover bones enrich gravy. Plant-based options. Nut roasts and lentil loaves aren't just afterthoughts, they're designed to impress. Even the classics benefit. A roast chicken might come from a free-range farm in Surrey, while potatoes are grown in Kent without synthetic pesticides. The best part. These changes don't sacrifice flavor. If anything, quality ingredients make the gravy richer and the meat more succulent. Who said doing good couldn't taste this good? A Sunday roast in London isn't just a meal, it's a taste of the city's heart. From historic pubs to modern kitchens, each plate tells a story of tradition, comfort, and community. Whether you go for a buttery Yorkshire pudding at a cozy corner spot or a bold new twist at a sleek restaurant, this dish stays timeless. Find your favorite from the list, or take inspiration to roast at home. Either way, it's a tradition worth savoring. Who's joining you for the next one? Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.